In this video, we are going to explain what is staking and what proof-of-stake algorithm is used for. Proof-of-stake is an algorithm used in order to coordinate a network of computers to behave simultaneously in the same exact way. To understand it better, let's make a representation of this network. Here, every dot is a computer, also referred as a node, which stores a copy of the blockchain. As you might already know, each block contains data relative to transactions and smart contract execution. The goal of proof-of-stake algorithm is having every node with the same blockchain version of the other participants. This is key in order to achieve decentralization, so that every node can testify the validity of transactions and that none of them has higher control and responsibility over the others. So the main issue is about updating the blockchain. Who has the responsibility to write a new block? How to guarantee its correctness? This is where staking comes in. Taking turns, validators are those entitled to add new blocks. They pick up pending transactions, propose a block, and broadcast it to the network. All the other nodes are those entitled to check its correctness, verifying that it's coherent with their copy of the blockchain. If the block is valid, the validator receives a token reward, otherwise they receive a penalty. The penalty, known as slashing, is put into practice as the burn of some staked capital. This staked capital is an amount of token locked in the protocol by every validator, used as a disincentive when bad behaviors verify. If the proposed block is invalid, the protocol takes validator's staked capital. When correct otherwise, the block is confirmed and added to the blockchain by any network node. Even though the consensus is a validator's concern, also other actors can participate in it, and these are known as delegators. As the word suggests, they can delegate tokens, Atom in the case of Cosmos Hub, contributing to the total staked amount put at risk by validators. In exchange, they receive rewards, paying a commission, typically 1 to 10%, for validators' job of block production and validation. This is what we call delegated proof-of-stake. When delegating, be aware of some general delegation criteria. First one, try not to delegate to top 10 validators. This simple rule helps the common goal of decentralization. Lower ranked validators accomplish a good block validation as top ones do. Second, take into account validators' active project participation, like for protocol upgrades, software development, governance, or for education purposes. Third, monitor validators' uptime and status, whether their status is active or jailed.